Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. I think that the time we had a challenge. Actually, we do have challenges in our math challenges. Sorry, we do have these math challenges or questions that actually we try to remind ourselves, or as well to remind our kids, or as well to challenge them whether they can tackle these kind of questions. And if you are a parent, you find this clip or as well this video, try to take to your kid who is in grade 5, 6, 7, 8 and even 9. Try to ask them whether they remember how these questions are being done. This is sequencing, and so I'm going to do a calculation on this because we had a challenge in our YouTube live. For those who came, thank you, and for those who are seeing this one for the first time, now let us try to tackle it right now. And even as we wait for another challenge, actually math challenges, we do them in our lives. People tackle them, they give the answers, but now let us tackle this one right now so that we can have the answers at our ease. Now, number one is saying, okay, the question is find the next number in the sequence, and number one is 1 2 3 4. The next number, actually that one is very simple because it's 1 2 3 4, and we know the next number is 5. That one actually was not requiring for you to be a professor for you to get it. And so the second one is 2 4 6 8. As you can see, for the second one, they're trying to actually test you whether you remember what is being done here, which kind of numbers are in this kind of sequence. As you can check, 2 4 6, 2 is when you check 2, we know 2 is an even number. As well, it's also a prime number, but in this case, because the next number is 4, so it qualifies 2 to be an even number in this case. In this case, I don't deny that it's not a prime number. It's a prime number. In this case, it's an even number. And so even number test is what is required in this particular question. And so 2 4, the next one is 6. Now the next one, you know, it is 8. That's why I've written 8 in that particular question. As you get to number 3, it is 2 3 5 7. What is being tested here is, do you know the prime numbers? As you can see, these are the prime numbers. Starting from 2, you get to 3, you get to 5, you get to 7. And so you need to identify the next prime number. As you know, the prime numbers, these are the numbers that has got only two factors, that is itself and 1. So 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 5 and 1, 7 and 1. Now tell me the next number that has got only two factors, that is itself and 1. 8 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2 and as well 4, so it has more than 2 factors. Now get to 9, it is divisible by 3, itself and 1, so there are more than 2. Go to 10, the same case, it has more than what? More than 2 factors. Go to 11. 11 has only 2, that's 11 and itself, and so it qualifies to be our next number. So our next number in this case is what? 11. It is what we call 11. Yes. And so we move to the last question. The last question is 2 6 15 and 31. 2 6 15 and 31. Now in this case, because it is having some actual numbers that are increasing at high rate. So we have to know what is skipped in between the two numbers as we progress. Now from 2 to 6, they have actually skipped, or they have added what we call 4. 6 minus 2, it is 4. Now from 6 to 15, they have added what we call 9. So because 15 minus 6 is 9. From 15 to 31, they have actually added 16, because 31 minus 15 is what? 16. And so they have actually skipped, or they have actually added, for the first case 4, second case 9. Now this is what we do. Just have a look at this. They have skipped what we call, you can see in this case we have 2, we have 6, we have 15, and we have 31. So in this case they have skipped 4. Also here they have done the same thing, 9. In this case also they have done what we call, how much? It is 16. So you need to find the next number that actually is after 16. As you can see in this case, we have 4, 9, 16. So as you can see, 4 is a square of 2, 9 is a square of 3, 16 is a square of 4. Now the next number will be the square of what? Of 5. Now the square of 5 is what? 25. And so in this case they were doing in this manner. Actually this is what that was happening. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 16 is that one plus 25, you find it is what? 56. So our next number in this case is 56. And that was our math challenge in this case. See you in the next maths challenge. And so I'm requesting that if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, or as well you have not followed us in Facebook, or as well in TikTok, may you do so. The name is Raphael Patroba. Just tell friends, tell learners who have got phones, tell parents who have learners in grade 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the hub for mathematics. More is coming. Welcome guys. Thank you, and may God bless you.